Hey everyone, welcome back to Vermont Outdoors with the Crowfoots. It's March 23rd and we are getting one hell of a winter storm. We got about 6 inches of some packy snow. Been a nice little mixture all morning, and right now it's like some freezing rain and hail. And long story short, my kids had a sleepover last night, so I gotta pick them up at the bottom of the driveway. So I dug the snowmobile out and I'm gonna go put the jet sled on because they have some stuff to carry. So we'll get to it. Alright, got the jet sled on, jet sled Magnum hooked up to the Skidoo 800. So we'll do a little test run. Alright, going pretty good. It's a little wet. Get a towel. Nice and packy snow. Alright, nice little hot lap. Alright, so here we are, another day from the other day. My battery quit again, but we ended up getting over 10 inches of snow, and I didn't do a lot of plowing up here just because I don't want to push any of the driveway stone off, but did get the Skidoo MXZ 800 out. Been riding that around. Been using the jet sled. I just got home from work, but gonna fire this sled up and take her right up to camp. All right. Still is kind of hot. Looks like a lot of the snow fell off the roof from our metal roof of camp. A little bit more still up there. Just kind of screwing around after work, but it's a lot of fun. I haven't been able to ride up here that much this year. Haven't gotten a lot of snow. This is a 2011 MXZ 800R E-Tech, and it's the XRS, and it goes great. All right, just having some fun after work. Gonna head back down and get some dinner. So if you like these videos, click like, click subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Everybody have a great day.